This part 2 of Don't Press the Button. I can finally move. I found out how to fix it because see? Okay, I don't care. We gotta play. I do not want to die this part, so let go. Ah! Okay, it just evaporated. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Why don't you do this to me? Oh my god. This is giving me anxiety. I don't have anxiety, but it's scaring the frick out of me. Gotta get that away. Oh my god. Oh come on, man. Who's gonna press the button? Get over the shard. Frick, that was the last time I played this. It was hella easy because you would learn again. Okay, I'm going to the other side now, my mates. No cars. We good. We good. Oh. Hey, red-haired guy. You look like a Naruto character. Okay, oh my god. My god. Okay. Heavy ground? Oh, okay. We're going not that way. So we're going down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Frick. Oh my god. Oh my, come on, man. Don't do that to me. You hear me? Don't do that to me. Okay. I got a high pitch. Okay, what is the next one? Reach the top. How? Oh my god. I can jump. Nice. How is this the way to heaven? Woohoo! Yahoo! Oh come on! No! That's how I rage, peeps. Oh come! Damn it! Watch out of what? Oh no! Please don't go! My gosh, I got high pitch. Please. Press. Oh my god. Don't fight. I am not fighting. Don't kill me. It's me. No. It's me. Oh my god, did I win? I just won. Oh. Are you seriously kidding me? What? Time capsule. Okay, I can't read. I'm horrible at reading. I'm a good reader, but that was hard to read. Don't judge me. I'm a good reader. Oh my god. Reach the end. I cannot reach the end. This is the way I look like. I can reach the end. It's speeding like speedster. I just made it up. I don't know if I made it up, but I'll reach the end if I even die. Frish! Oh, I did not move. That happened again. Did I do something again? I can't move again. I can't move again. Come on. Okay, I can still move. Good. Oh, we're still here. Oh, okay. Boy, I'm gone. Okay. Oh my god, I hate you. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. No, I hate the Tower of Hell more than this, but you see me rolling. You're chasing. Why are you people moving around? What the? What if I go here? Let's spawn there. See me rolling. They chasing. Oh my god. Oh no, sorry. But I do not fight. I do not require fighting in my life. But if it's needed, yes, I will fight someone. But this is, I have no intention of fighting you. I have no intention. But I will show. Yeah. I won again. You Froco. So cold ice chicken. That was so close. That was so close. That was so close. I thought I was gonna die. Oh no! Oh my god! No! Oh. What's happening? Reach the top. Again? This again? The one I freaking yeeted myself out here. I hit myself up there. I don't want to go on you, man. You yeeted me in the head. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. What's up, Naruto looking guy? I remember you. How did that happen? How in the world did that happen, man? I skipped one. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, okay. I gotta go. The first one to find, press the button. What are you talking about? What am I supposed to find here? Press the what? The button? Is everyone in this room? Or is it like... Okay, this just reminds me of Squid Game. That scene with the triangle. Star, man. Avoid grilling. I'm getting grilled. My guy's smart. Not smart. It's hurting me. What a dumb idiot. Why would I follow him? Why would I follow you? Why would I follow you? Huh? Why would I follow you? I will never follow anyone. I'm a lone wolf now. Okay, that's just idiotic and weird. What now? I will not follow this guy. Let me live. Let me cross the road. Avoid being grilled. I tried, but I followed this guy. I blame him. I'm so mad at him. Don't be close at me. You protect her. No. No. That guy, did you reset or something? Oh, okay. We're going here now. I'm gonna just stay here for a sec. Watch out. Why is that guy climbing it? Reach the other side. What other side? This side? It's a freaking rainbow. Nice. That's not nice? What was that? I'm so loud. Oh. Chicken noodle soup then. I already ate noodles this dinner. Okay, this is dangerous. I am not surviving. I am not. Okay. I'm pretty doing it. Am I fall? Okay, I'm pissed. Okay. Is that a new one? How do you even get the skin? I want that skin. Did they get that from that? Watch out for what? Watch out for what? Oh, that thing. What the? Was that a lightsaber or something? Friend, take a what? Is that acid like from the movie? What is that movie again? Escape Room Championship? Yeah, that's it. That. Oh, why did I leave? If I was finished. Never again. Nice shirt though. Yeet! At least up here we ain't getting acid. We're gonna fall in 3, 2, 1, not really. But spin like a tiger. Spin like a tiger. Wait, do tigers even spin? Do tigers just spin? Reach the top. What top? What? Oh, this thing again? I hate this one. Okay, that hurts my nail because I'm using my freaking tablet to record and play Roblox. And, okay. Does anyone even reach the top from this game? Yeet. Nice. Yeet. Nope. No trans. No trans. No trans. I'm not saying no transgenders here. Transgenders are allowed in this game or something. Oh. 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 I'm staying here so I don't get hit. Stay with me, boys. Stay with me. We just go to the same place, so don't move. That one there. Boom. I got you. I got you. Does anyone like to play this? Wow, she lagging. I'm gonna back. Ooh, sheesh. I wanna play. Wait, are we the only team survivors? Oh my god, I didn't even notice. Chris, she's still lagging. She's still lagging. Oh my god. Zeus, do not hit me. I warn you, Zeus. Do not hit me! Okay, this might be Thor. Or Zeus, I'm not sure. Is that me? Yo, is that me? Oh, button presser. Yeah, I did press the button. Yeesh. I'm standing on a statue right now. Hello, big me. Big Little John. Robin Hood. Wait, this. Yee! 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 Yeet! 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 I'm first! I think. I'm not sure. But nice. Next update at... Okay. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up with those balloons. I don't like seeing balloons. What if I slide down? Button. Who's the button presser? Oh, she, the balloon girl. Cover an umbrella. This thing again? We're staying here tonight. The guy's standing up. Why is this guy just there? Probably. How did I die? How did I die? Bro, look at that. Why is everyone lagging? Is my internet going sucks? I don't know. I'm on first person. First person feels weird. Am I even saying it right? I don't care. I do not care. But if I do care, please put it in the comments. Put it down. Okay. I'm gonna end the video here, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna put my TikTok account in the description, so yeah, follow me on TikTok. Peace.